Everyone, today we're going to talk about some truly incredible moments where animals, our furry, feathery, and even scaly friends, stepped up to help humans or other animals. Yeah, it's all about bravery, loyalty, and those wow, did that just happen moments. So grab a comfy spot because these stories, they're going to warm your heart, blow your mind, and maybe even bring a little tear to your eye. Ready? Okay, let's dive in.
Mira cómo los dan, vea.
Number 1, Hamla the elephant. Oh, this one's so sweet. An elephant saw her caregiver in the water and thought he was in trouble. Without hesitating, she rushed in to save him. Elephants, total gentle giants with hero instincts. Number 2, the fox's chicken coop fail. Alright, imagine a fox sneaking into a chicken coop, thinking it's got an easy meal. But then, bam! 2 German shepherds appeared out of nowhere, chasing it off like, not today, pal. High-speed chase, total chaos, and yeah, the fox learned its lesson. Number 3, a man in a chimpanzee. Yeah, I know, sounds like the start of a joke or something, but no. It's something kind of beautiful. I'm watching it. Honestly, it's one of those moments where you're like, wow, the bond between humans and animals is just amazing. I mean, this wasn't just some random act. You could feel the connection, the trust, the care. Number 4, the protecting dog. Okay, so here's the thing about dogs. They just know, Protecting their owner, it's not something they learn. And let me tell you, this time, that instinct, it kicked in right when it was needed. There was danger, real danger, and the dog didn't even hesitate. No second guessing, no waiting around, it just acted. Number 5, dolphins save a swimmer. Okay, now this one's straight out of a movie. A guy jumps into the ocean, and a shark shows up. But before things can get scary, a pod of dolphins arrived, they circled the guy, chased the shark away, and saved the day. Ocean heroes for real. Number 6, the saber. Waking up in the middle of the night, the girl was dizzy and lost her balance. At the most critical moment, the dog caught her in time. Number 7, the crazy ostrich. Hunger drove the ostrich crazy. It was chaotic and wild, completely out of control. But luckily the kangaroo stepped in just in time and managed to stop it. Sometimes nature finds a way to restore order, even in the most unexpected moments. Number 8, Bailey, the life-saving nurse. Katie's life was anything but easy, living with POTS syndrome, a condition that turns simple moments into struggles. But then there was Bailey, her loyal companion. This incredible dog could sense the change in Katie's heartbeat, stepping in like a nurse whenever she got sick. In those critical moments, Bailey's care and intuition made all the difference, proving once again the extraordinary bond between humans and their animal friends. Number 9, the protective German Shepherd. So, a bull is about to charge at a toddler. Scary, right? But before it could get too close, a German Shepherd dashed in like a superhero, scaring the bull away. Incredible speed, incredible instincts. What a hero. Number 10, Lizzie's horses saved the day. Oh, and this one's incredible. Lizzie needed help with a heavy load, and her horses? They stepped in don't worry, we've got this. They even pulled a 10-ton truck up an icy hill. Talk about horsepower. Number 11, the loyal hospital dog. Here's one that'll tug at your heartstrings. A dog ran 5 kilometers after the ambulance that was carrying its owner, and then it waited outside the hospital for a week. Yeah, a whole week, just to make sure its human was okay. If that doesn't melt your heart, I don't know what will. Number 12, a dog's kitchen heroics. Okay, picture this. A pan catches fire in the kitchen, and the family's dog? It immediately starts barking hey, something's not right. The owner rushed in just in time to stop a disaster. Talk about a life-saving bond. Number 13, Lulu, the hero pig. At this, an elderly woman had a heart attack while home alone. She cried for help, and who came to the rescue? Lulu. Yeah, a pig. Lulu ran out into the street, stopping cars like, "Hey, someone follow me." Eventually, a guy did.
Pig is in distress out here.
And he called for help, thanks to Lulu's quick thinking. The woman survived. Can we give Lulu a round of applause? Number 14, the warm hug. This one is gonna hit you right in the feels. A woman carrying the weight of the world on her shoulders, just going through one hardship after another. And her cat? Yeah, this little furball could feel it all. Every tear, every sigh, every moment of pain. And then the cat did something incredible. It just gave her a hug. No words, no fancy gestures, just that little act of love. Honestly, sometimes a hug is the greatest comfort. Number 15, the brave doggo versus thugs. Alright, picture this. A gang of street thugs, acting all tough with their weapons, strutting around like they own the place. But guess what? They didn't expect a fearless little doggo to step in. It wasn't about to let anything happen to its human. Absolute legend, right? Number 16, the kitten's bold move. So this next one is wild. A kitten, a tiny, fluffy kitten sensed danger in a store. The owner was in trouble. And the kitten, it just sprang into action, claws and all. Talking about bravery in a pint-sized package. Number 17, dolphins versus shark, round 2. Alright, we're back in the ocean. A baby impala fell into the water and things weren't looking great. But then these incredible animals stepped in to help. Moments like these, they just remind us how amazing nature can be. So, what do you think? Animals are just, wow. Their bravery, loyalty, and instincts remind us why they're called our best friends. If you love these stories, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday Discoveries. And remember, your furry friends might just surprise you one day. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and give your pets an extra hug.
Wow.